Welcome to Shri Gadget Gateway. Today we're introducing an upgraded version of car daytime running lights, LED DRL light flexible waterproof strip. Let's check out its amazing features. Each light is equipped with a built-in mini control module, sealed inside the lamp tube with the bulb panel. This driver-integrated IC ensures safe operation and strong anti-interference ability. The compact design saves installation space and offers a shorter startup time, enhancing both functionality and convenience. Experience the impressive light scanning effect every time you start your car, adding a touch of style and visibility. Upgrade your car with the LED DRL car daytime running light flexible waterproof strip for enhanced visibility and a stylish look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.